Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Candy Crush from Facebook. To begin, navigate to your Facebook settings. Once there, look for the Apps and Websites section, which is usually found on the left-hand menu. This area lists all the applications connected to your account. You will find Candy Crush Saga among your active apps, ready for the next step. Next, select Candy Crush Saga from the list of applications. You will then see an option to remove the app. Click this button to start the deletion process. A confirmation prompt will appear, asking if you are sure you want to disconnect the game. Confirm your decision to ensure the app is completely removed from your Facebook profile. When removing the app, you will be given an important choice. Make sure to check the box that says, delete all posts, videos, and events Candy Crush Saga posted on your timeline. Also, opt to remove all game data from Facebook. This crucial step ensures a clean break, leaving no lingering information or activity associated with the game on your profile. Finally, take a moment to verify that Candy Crush Saga is no longer listed in your Apps and Websites section. You might also want to check your activity log for any remaining traces, just to be thorough. Remember to regularly review your app permissions. This is a good practice for maintaining strong account security and privacy on Facebook.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.